The autism puzzle, a growing concern. Autism is a complex neurodevelopmental disorder that affects millions of people worldwide. It manifests in early childhood and continues throughout a person's life. It affects how people communicate and interact with the world around them. Individuals with autism often face challenges in social interactions, communication, and repetitive behaviors. Sadly, its prevalence is rising at an alarming rate. More and more families are being touched by this condition, leading to a growing concern among parents, educators, and healthcare professionals. Today, it is estimated that 1 in 54 children in the U.S. are diagnosed with autism. This statistic underscores the urgent need for increased awareness and understanding. This trend highlights the urgent need to understand what causes autism. Researchers are delving into various factors, including genetics, environmental influences, and neurological development. Scientists are working tirelessly to uncover the reasons behind this increase. Their research spans multiple disciplines, from biology and genetics to psychology and environmental science. Their ultimate goal is to find effective ways to support individuals and families affected by autism. This includes developing better diagnostic tools, therapeutic interventions, and support systems. The search for answers has led researchers to explore various avenues. One promising area of study is the gut microbiome, which has shown potential links to autism. One promising area of study focuses on the gut microbiome. This complex ecosystem of microorganisms residing in our intestines plays a crucial role in our overall health. This complex ecosystem of microorganisms residing in our intestines plays a crucial role in our overall health. It influences everything from digestion to immune function. Emerging research suggests a fascinating link between the gut microbiome and the development of autism. Understanding this connection could open new pathways for treatment and prevention, offering hope to many families. Our inner world, unveiling the gut microbiota. The human gut is home to trillions of bacteria, fungi, viruses, and other microorganisms. Collectively, these are known as the gut microbiota. Once overlooked, the gut microbiota is now recognized as a key player in our well-being. It influences various bodily functions, from digestion and immunity to brain health and behavior. Think of your gut microbiota as a vast, intricate garden teeming with life. Just like a garden needs a balance of different plants to thrive, our gut requires a diverse and balanced microbiota. This balance ensures the proper functioning of our bodies. However, disruptions to this delicate ecosystem, often caused by diet, stress, or antibiotics, can have far-reaching consequences for our health. A mother's influence. Gut bacteria and fetal development. Recent studies have shed light on the fascinating connection between a mother's gut microbiota and the development of her child's brain. The gut microbiota, a complex community of microorganisms residing in the digestive tract, plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health. During pregnancy, these microorganisms can influence the developing fetus in ways we are only beginning to understand. This connection highlights the profound influence a mother's health can have on her offspring, even before birth. The maternal gut microbiota can affect the transfer of nutrients and the production of essential metabolites, which are vital for fetal development. The maternal gut microbiota can influence the development of the fetal immune system and brain. This influence is not just limited to the prenatal period but can extend into the child's later life, affecting their susceptibility to various diseases and conditions. This influence can have long-term effects on the child's health. For instance, a balanced and diverse gut microbiota in the mother can promote a healthy immune system in the child, potentially reducing the risk of allergies and autoimmune diseases. One groundbreaking study published in a leading scientific journal found a link between the composition of a mother's gut microbiota during pregnancy and the likelihood of her child developing autism. This study analyzed the gut bacteria of pregnant women and followed their children over several years. The findings revealed that certain bacterial profiles were associated with a higher risk of autism, suggesting that the maternal gut microbiota could be a key factor in the development of this condition. This discovery opened up a whole new avenue for understanding the origins of autism. Researchers are now exploring how modifying the gut microbiota during pregnancy could potentially reduce the risk of autism and other neurodevelopmental disorders. It also pointed towards potential strategies for prevention and treatment. By understanding the role of gut bacteria in fetal development, we can develop targeted interventions to support maternal and child health. Interleukin-17A, a key player in the autism story. The study focused on a specific molecule called interleukin-17A or IL-17A. This molecule is involved in immune responses and plays a role in brain development during pregnancy. Researchers found that high levels of IL-17A in the mothers were associated with an increased risk of their offspring developing autism-like behaviors. IL-17A is like a messenger molecule that alerts the immune system to threats. While it plays a crucial role in fighting off infections, excessive IL-17A activity can lead to inflammation. During pregnancy, this inflammation can impact the developing brain of the fetus, potentially contributing to the development of autism. Of mice and men, understanding the research. To investigate the link between maternal gut microbiota Illinois 17A and autism, researchers conducted a series of meticulous experiments using mice as their model organisms. This study aimed to uncover the intricate biological mechanisms that might contribute to the development of autism spectrum disorders. They used two distinct groups of mice. One group had a gut microbiota that was specifically prone to triggering IL-17A-related inflammation, a type of immune response. The other group served as a control and had a normal, healthy microbiota. This setup allowed the researchers to observe the differences in outcomes between the two groups. The researchers then performed fecal transplants, a procedure where gut bacteria from one group of mice were transferred to the other. This process was crucial in determining whether the gut microbiota alone could influence the development of autism-like behaviors. The results were striking and provided new insights. The offspring of the mice that received the fecal transplants from the inflammation-prone group displayed a range of autism-like behaviors. These behaviors were not just random, but were consistent and measurable, providing a clear link between the gut microbiota and behavioral outcomes. These autism-like behaviors included impaired social interactions, such as difficulty in engaging with other mice, and repetitive actions, which are hallmark symptoms of autism spectrum disorders in humans. The consistency of these behaviors across multiple observations strengthened the findings. This groundbreaking finding provided compelling evidence that the maternal gut microbiota, particularly its tendency to trigger IL-17A-related inflammation, could play a significant role in the development of autism. The study opens new avenues for understanding how maternal health and microbiota can influence the neurological development of offspring, potentially leading to new therapeutic strategies. Beyond IL-17A, the search for answers continues. While the discovery of IL-17A's role is significant, it is important to remember that autism is a complex condition with multiple contributing factors. IL-17A is likely just one piece of a larger puzzle. Researchers are now working to identify other molecules and pathways involved in this intricate interplay between the gut microbiome, the immune system, and brain development. Further research is crucial to fully understand the complex relationship between the gut microbiota and autism. Scientists are investigating other factors that may contribute to this link, such as genetics, environmental exposures, and the mother's diet during pregnancy. Nurturing the microbiome. A path to better health. While research continues, there are steps we can take to promote a healthy gut microbiome. A balanced diet rich in fiber, fruits, vegetables, and fermented foods can nourish beneficial bacteria in the gut. Limiting processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can also help maintain a healthy gut environment. Just as we care for our physical health, we should also prioritize our gut health. By making conscious choices about our diet and lifestyle, we can nurture a thriving gut microbiome. This, in turn, can have positive ripple effects on our overall health and well-being, potentially reducing the risk of various health issues, including autism. The future of autism. Research hope on the horizon. The discovery of the link between maternal gut microbiota, Illinois 17A, and autism offers hope for new and innovative treatments. Researchers are exploring the potential of probiotics, prebiotics, and fecal microbiota transplantation as potential therapies for autism. These approaches aim to restore a healthy balance to the gut microbiome, potentially mitigating autism symptoms. While more research is needed, these findings provide a glimmer of hope for the future of autism treatment. By understanding the intricate connections between the gut microbiome, the immune system, and brain development, we can pave the way for more effective interventions and therapies. A call to action empowering expectant mothers and beyond. The research on gut microbiota and autism highlights the importance of gut health, particularly for expectant mothers. By adopting a gut-healthy lifestyle, pregnant women can potentially reduce the risk of their children developing autism. This knowledge empowers women to take control of their health and the well-being of their future children. This research also underscores the interconnectedness of our health. A healthy gut is not just about digestion, it impacts our entire body, including our brain. By prioritizing gut health, we can all contribute to a healthier future for ourselves and generations to come. Let us continue to support research in this field and spread awareness about the importance of gut health.